Good morning, Anna. How are you today? I'm good, thank you, Elsa. I feel like it's a lovely day today and I want to eat something. My belly is grumbling. I'm so hungry. You mean hungry? Me too. I like to eat something as well. I'm hungry too. Oh, I'm so hungry. Uh-oh. Oops. Do you want to eat something, Olaf? Maybe I can give you something. Do you like it frozen? Yeah? Yes, please. I like frozen. Alright, how about I do some magic and I give you and dun, 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 dun. Wait for it. Ice cream! Oh, really? Is this for me? This is huge. Even much bigger than me. Thank you, Elsa. I'm going to keep this beside me. Over here. Alright, and then I'm going to eat this later. Woo! Frozen ice cream! But I need something healthy. I feel like eating fruits today, Elsa. Maybe we can call in a friend to help us to get fruits. How about Earth Giant? Come on, let's call in Earth Giant. Earth Giant! Earth Giant! Earth Giant! Where are you, Earth Giant?
Yes, I heard you were calling my name. Anything I can do for you?
Oh yeah, Earth Giant. We all feel like we want to eat something healthy. And we thought of eating some fruits. Can you help us, please?
Alright, that's very easy. Your wish is my command. I will go and get fruits for everyone. I'll be back.
Anna and Olaf, what do you think Earth Giant is going to get for us? Can we make a wild guess? No, I'm craving for a pear. I hope you get us a pear. It is indeed a pear! A very big pear. Thank you, Earth Giant!
Here's your pear. Anna, you are going to share this pear to Elsa. I'm going to cut this into two.
Oh, sure. We are going to share with the pear. Thank you, Earth Giant!
Here's your pear. Enjoy eating.
Pear! I really like the taste of it. Delicious. Yum! This is so good. Okay, done. Thank you.
Hang in there, guys. I'm going to get another fruit. Would you like to have another one?
Yes, please!
Okay, wait for me.
So, what fruit could it be this time? Maybe it's something red. Oh, strawberry! Thank you, Earth Giant!
I was thinking you guys like strawberry too. So I made sure I washed all the fruits I gave you and I'm going to cut this now. Here's your strawberry.
Ooh, strawberry! It is very sweet. I love it.
Do you like another one?
Yes, please. Thank you.
What do you like this time?
Maybe an orange.
All right. I will be right back in a bit.
Yay! Orange.
Here you go, ladies. Here's the orange. One of the best healthy fruit.
Wow, orange! I'm eating orange! Yay!
Do you like orange, Olaf?
Yeah, looks delicious. I want to try.
All right, let's put it here and I will cut it for all of you. 1, 2, 3, here you go. watch it already.
Oh, thank you, Earth Giant. Thank you for this orange. So yummy. Thank you, Earth Giant. How about you, Earth Giant? Do you want some orange?
No thanks. I'm okay. My tummy is full.
Oh, I think there's one last fruit I'd like to eat today, please.
And what is it this time?
I think I want to have some grapes. Can you help us get some grapes, please?
Alright, no worries. I'll get you some grapes.
Oh, Earth Giant is so kind enough to help us today. Yeah, Earth Giant is very kind indeed.
Here's your grapes. Let me help you. I washed it and I'll cut it for you. There you go. And 1, 2, 3. Here's your grapes, Anna. Here's yours, Elsa. And here's for you, Olaf.
Oh, yes, thank you, Earth Giant. Thank you.
Let me help you eat some too.
Thank you for all your help today, Earth Giant. We were able to eat all our favorite fruits. Yeah, thank you, Earth Giant. I feel like I am full of energy with all the fruits that I ate today. Yeah, I enjoyed every bit of it too. Thank you, Earth Giant. We should all eat fruits to make us healthy and strong. Yay! Truly, this is the best day ever!
Bye.
Thanks for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our Play Toys and Tales channel. Ring the bell too for more videos.